This Friday, December 6th, join us for the 7th annual Feed the Need featuring Skate for Hunger right here at 457 The Edge.
5 bands unite for the cause of justice to see the homeless and hungry fed, along with DJs from Heat Worship House spinning the beats the whole night.
Skate for Hunger gives you the opportunity to get involved and bring out items for the homeless and the hungry and skate for some epic prizes.
This whole night is about the cause, to feed the homeless and the hungry. This is your opportunity to do something amazing for someone this Christmas.
Bring 5 or more items and give to win for your chance to take home a 32-inch HD TV or a Pro Model skateboard from Siren.
Not to mention tons of giveaways going on throughout the night.
Video Game Corner presents Resogun, brand new game for the PlayStation 4. It's going to be epic. You can win a $50 gift card to EB Games.
And tons more action going on throughout the night. Check out Revolution457.com for all the details and on what you can bring.
And follow us on Twitter and Facebook at 457 The Edge. It's time to
Feed the Need.